Alright guys, it's not going all that great. This horn has been sandblasted. So, that is why I always recommend never sandblasting these things. I'll show you why. I don't know if you can see. It's going to be real hard to focus in, but let me take this back cap off, or this, excuse me, diaphragm real quick. Ooh, get straightened out. Okay. I think you can see this. It's caked with sand. I mean, just sand everywhere. And I don't know how on earth I'm supposed to clean it all out behind that plate. So, kind of a drag. Because this horn does not work right now. So anyways, you guys that think that they want to sandblast their horns, don't do it. Especially with a Leslie. Especially because once that sand gets inside behind this plate here, I don't know how the hell to clean it out. So anyways, there you go. Sanded, sandblasted Leslie Supertyfon. Wish me luck. All right.